So today, I'm going to teach you guys how to cook my dad's and my brother's favorite food, adobo.
Are you ready for this?
Hey guys! Welcome back to my cooking channel, and I'm back with another cooking tutorial. So, I hope you guys, by the way, I hope you guys enjoyed my recent vlog, my how to make a chocolate chip cream frap, and my how to make a sinigang vlog. So, if you guys did it, the chocolate chip cream, you can post it and then just tag me there. So today, I'm going to teach you guys how to cook my dad's and my brother's favorite food, adobo. So this is like the food. This is my second favorite food, and some of you requested for me to do this vlog. So I learned how to cook it. My mom taught me how to cook it. So here we have the ingredients. By the way, it's not actually hard to cook adobo. It's just hard to prepare the ingredients. So my mom was kind enough to prepare the ingredients for me. So I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. So first, we need the pot, of course. And then the chicken, the main ingredient. So before you put the chicken, you have to wash it first. And then the vinegar. And then the toyo or the soy sauce. Then the garlic, the ginger. And then you may be wondering why there are two onions there. So this one is the red onion, even though it's purple, and the white onion. Then we have the laurel leaves. And then we have the sugar so that we can even the taste. And then the salt and pepper to taste. Then the egg and the potato. And this is the oyster sauce. And then water. Spatula. Wooden spatula. I want to use the wooden spatula. Okay, so let's start. So the first thing you need is, of course, the oven and then the pot. So I'll just put this here first. So before you cook, guys, I almost forgot. Before you cook, you always have to wash your hands first with soap so that hindi madumi yung pagkain niyo. Okay, I'm just gonna wash my hands. Okay. There. Now that we're done washing our hands, let's start cooking. So, ang adobo, guys, you just have to put the ingredients in and then you're gonna mix and then boil it. You're just gonna cook it. Now, I'm gonna put the chicken. I'm gonna remove the water muna because there's blood in it. Then, you're gonna put the chicken. So, the chicken, the measurement is 1 kilogram or 1 kg, and 1 KENNETH GUTIERREZ. Put the chicken. Ooh, laman. Oh, there's still water. Hi. Now just put the chicken in. Chickenette. And there. So, yun, nalagay na yung chicken. So, the next ingredient is the water. 1 cup of water or 1 glass of water. And then the vinegar. There. Now we're done with the vinegar. You're gonna put the soy sauce or the light soy sauce. Put it around. There. Oh, looks so soy sauce-y. Then after that, put the oyster sauce. Okay. Put the oyster soy sauce. So that it's not, so that meron siyang taste. After that, you're gonna put the red onion. Even though it's purple, I'm so confused why. Then put the red onion. There. Then the garlic and ginger. So I already put them together. There. Oops. Okay. After that, you're gonna put the sugar. So that hindi siya so to balance the taste. Okay, there. Then after you put the sugar, you're gonna put the salt and pepper to taste. Oh, I dropped some. So, tablespoon of salt and pepper. And after that, you're gonna put the dried laurel leaves. Just put it around. After that, just gonna mix it so that the chicken will absorb the taste. Okay. That will absorb the ingredients. Okay, so now I'm gonna boil it na. So you have to boil it for 15 to 30 minutes. So, yan. I'm just gonna boil it first. There. So, guys, we're gonna wait for 15 to 30 minutes. So, while I'm waiting for 15 to 30 minutes, I'm just going to make a shake for my mom. Kasi gutom na siya. So, my brother, okay lang sa kanya kahit walang pagkain kasi he can survive na with ML. Okay, so first, I'm also gonna teach you guys how to make a watermelon shake. So first thing you need is ice. Okay, so put the ice. Oops. GG. There, the ice. And then the sugar. So, you're gonna need 2 spoons of sugar. 1. Then, 2. So, yun, para sweet siya. So, yun guys, tip, lagyan niyo ng sugar yung crush niya para sweet sa'yo. Wow! Oh, wait, may water pa. So, there, now I'm gonna mix it.
A few moments later.
So guys, it's already 15 minutes. The chicken already looks tender. So I'm going to put the potatoes and I think it's already time that we put the potatoes so that both of them will be malambot. There. Okay, mix. Okay. There. Now we just wait for a few more minutes, then we're gonna put the white onions and then the eggs for plating. So guys, while waiting for a few more minutes para lumambot yung potato, you can like wash muna the plates. By the way, when I like smell it, like it smells so good. Oh, so hot. If only you guys are here, you could like smell it because I'm like super hungry already. I only ate a few at lunch, so I'm like super hungry and I want to eat already. And my mom, my dad, my brother, they're all like super hungry na. So I'm cooking for the family right now. So we have to wait for like a few more minutes. And then we're gonna put the white onion.
A few moments later.
So guys, I think the chicken and potato are already tender. So now I'm gonna put na the white onions. Smells so good. I want to eat already. Now we're gonna put the white onions. Let's get a spoon. Alright. So lalagyan na natin ng mga white onions. So let's put them here first. Okay. There. There. Medyo mix nyo para it will go around. There. Okay. So guys, now that the onions are in, we have to wait for another 5 minutes. So when you're cooking adobo, it's just about patience because it's easy to cook, but you still have to wait for quite a while so that mag-boil siya properly. Habang iniintay niya mag-boil, you can do TikTok kasi it's like very long, like almost 1 hour to cook. So,
Okay, I'm bored in the
you can do
house.
TikTok
I'm in the
muna.
house.
Wait lang, asan sa phone ko? Magti-TikTok muna ako. I seen it's boiling already, but the onions are not yet tender enough. So, we're just gonna wait for a bit while. So, reminder nga pala guys, sa mga lalaki dyan, kailangan marunong din kayo magluto ng ibang pagkain kesa sa sinigang. Kasi alam nyo guys, yung mga babae, nauumay yan. So, kailangan nyo magbago. So, yun, mag-adobo din na kayo. Kailangan nyo matuto mag-adobo para hindi sila maumay sa'yo.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house.
A few moments later.
So, yun guys, it looks okay na. So, pwede na nating i-plate. Tapos, ilalagay ko yung egg. Cut ko lang yung egg. Wow. Okay. There. So, yun guys, kapag alam nyo nang pwedeng kainin, kailangan mag-taste siyang adobo. Hindi siya mag-taste ng parang sinigang or gano'n. Kuha lang ako ng soup. #adobo. So guys, ito na yung final product. Kasi gagawa na akong company. Bili kayo dyan. So guys, ito yung final product natin. Yes, final product. So gagawa tayo ng taste test. Kyle! Kyle, taste test. Just tell me if it tastes good.
So hot.
You have to blow it first, of course.
Ah, yummy. Yummy. Very yummy.
Ilang Kyle? Kyle's whispering in the mic. It's salty. It doesn't taste good.
Uy! Yeah, mic pala. Ay.
It's a prank. Just kidding.
It tastes good.
Okay, thank you. So, yun. So, it's masarap daw. So, if you guys learn something from this vlog, try to cook it para ma-taste nyo din. So, sana nandito kayo para maamoy nyo kasi it smells very good. So, yun guys. Sana, I hope that you guys learn something from this tutorial. So, this food is for my family kasi gutom na sila. So, yun guys. Before we end this vlog again, I'm gonna do some shoutouts on my YouTube channel on my chocolate chip cream tutorial. Okay, here. So, shoutout to Daniel Zen Lecaros. Shoutout to Marigold Lava. Shoutout to Alia Arcega. Shoutout to Rolando Flores. And shoutout to Sino V. So, yun guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and sana may natutunan kayo. So, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, share this video, comment down below some ideas for what I should cook or do on my next vlog. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!